There are many ways to learn English by yourself. Today, in the internet age, we have the gift of learning any language we want for free. On this path, the only important things are patience, commitment, and the right resources. In this video, I try to provide you with these resources that are all free. Below is a list of the best pioneering language teaching sites that you can use to start learning and improving your English language skills. These virtual English learning sites are highly recommended. Before you start, remember this important thing. English language learning websites are only useful as a supplement when you have free time. Using them as the main learning tool will prolong non-primary learning and use them only for entertainment aspect of the language. Number 20 is tv411.org. This website is for kids. However, no one said adults couldn't use it. This virtual English language learning website contains educational entertainment arranged according to the level of repetition from 1 to 5 and is very useful for spelling and pronunciation. Fun activities to learn vowels, uppercase and lowercase letters, synonyms and antonyms, and everything you need to get started. This website can be more useful than it seems. Number 19 is lyrics training. You will get the most out of this awesome site if you enjoy the music. On this website, hundreds of different types of music from dozens of different genres will help you in your listening skills. You can also use this website to improve your conversation level and memorize and learn vocabularies. This site is suitable for people who like to learn the language independently. It is also considered a very important resource for teachers who can use it to make their classroom environment fun. OLA Online Learning Academy is number 18. This website will help you achieve high confidence and mastery in English conversation. This is done through one-to-one conversational courses via Skype with English-speaking teachers and professionals fluent in English. This website has the best courses for you if you feel shy when speaking, have trouble understanding English-speaking locals, or have trouble expressing yourself. Real English Conversation is number 17. This website helps language learners master the skill of speaking and understanding conversations as much as possible and learn about different speaking methods. You can easily access many resources on this website, including real, recorded conversations to improve your speaking skills. The Real English Conversations website focuses on conversational skills. You can access a lot of real conversations on this website. Listening to these podcasts and doing exercises can improve the language learner skills. Number 16. Uglish. On this website, you can search for words and hear their pronunciation in the text. This site can find the subtitles of more than 20 million videos and the specific moment of the video you are looking for. You can use this website to find specific phrases and words in different videos. Working with the website is very fast and rare people collect all its content. Number 15. Now we reach manythings.org. This is the best website with online coordination tests, word fun, word puzzles, idioms, slangs, word orders, a sentence generator, and other computer language learning exercises. In addition to the above, this website has an unusual page that contains exercises that are not very well laid out. The site is not glamorous, but it has exercises you can see and use. In addition, this site does not have any advertisements. English grammar is 14. Unlike the previous websites we talked about, this one focuses on details instead of free English language learning in the form of a back course, grammar tips, words that are used interchangeably, collections, writing techniques, dictations, and online exercises. The English Grammar website is one of the best online resources for teaching English grammar. Another good thing about it is that it is always updated with new content. Third one is Freddys Learns. Some free English language learning websites have a section dedicated to teaching children. But if you're looking for a place specifically designed for kids, try Freddys Learns. On the Freddys Learns website, you will find a wide range of lessons, games, videos, quizzes, and other engaging content for children of all ages and language levels. Number 12. Perfectly Spoken. Perfectly Spoken is a free English language teaching site. To use the Perfectly Spoken website, you must create a profile, for which you must have a valid email address. On this site, you can measure your English language level by answering questions and then start watching Perfectly Spoken training videos depending on your level. Perfectly Spoken training videos are available for free in 5 levels. A teacher presents each level, and the important words and structures related to that level are fully taught in these videos. Perfectly Spoken training videos are still being completed. Easy World of English website is number 11. The Easy World of English website has the simple appearance, but it should not be assumed that the simple appearance has affected the quality of education on this site. This site teaches English in all fields. On the other hand, this site is a very suitable and ideal choice for people who have just started learning English. It has an attractive visual dictionary through which you can learn the vocabularies as easily as possible. On the other hand, this website reinforces grammar, words, reading, and listening, and includes most aspects of language. Be sure you visit this interesting website.